Hey guys, I am here in the last hour of the day to make a YouTube video so you guys have the pronunciations for your Chapter 2 verbal test. That was T-Twist. He wanted a shout out. Okay, here we go. So I'm going to go through and I'm going to read all the questions really fast. Remember, you can always pause in between in order to have more time so that you can answer it. So that's a great way to practice. Go through, listen to me ask you the question, pause it, answer it. Okay, here we go. ¿De dónde eres? ¿Es grande o pequeña la clase de español? ¿Es interesante o aburrida la clase de matemáticas? ¿Es difícil la clase de inglés? ¿Cómo son los estudiantes de la escuela? ¿Cómo es la clase de ciencias? ¿Cómo es tu amiga? ¿Cómo es tu amigo? ¿Qué hora es? ¿A qué hora empiezan las clases? ¿A qué hora terminan las clases? ¿Cuál es la capital de México? ¿Cuál es tu clase favorita? ¿Cómo se llama la profesora de tu clase favorita? Or, ¿cómo se llama el profesor de tu clase favorita? ¿Cómo son los padres? Okay, those were all of your questions. I'm going to go through really fast and explain how you would answer it. So again, if you wanted to, you could just get rid of, you could just not listen to the second half of this video if you know how to answer all of them. And again, you could re-listen to the first part, pause in between to get practice. Okay, here are the answers. So I'm going to go in order. Number 1, soy de, and you'll put in a location. Number 2, la clase es, and you'll either say grande or pequeña. Number 3, la clase de matemáticas es, you're either going to say interesante or aburrida. For es difícil la clase de inglés, you're going to say sí, es difícil la clase de inglés, or you'll say no, no es difícil, es fácil. For number 5, ellos son, and you'll give me an adjective ending in s because it's plural. La clase de ciencias es, and you'll have an adjective ending in a. Mi amiga es, and you'll have an adjective ending in a because it's feminine. Mi amigo es, and you'll have an adjective ending in o because it's masculine. For qué hora es, I could ask you a whole bunch of different questions about times. So you're going to need to know how to say the times. You're going to need to know how to say cuarto, 15, media, half hour, and then, for example, this one, son las 7, it's 7 o'clock menos cuarto. So, for number 10, a las 8 menos cuarto. Number 11, a las 3 menos cuarto. Number 12, La Ciudad de México is the capital. And then for 13, mi clase favorita es, and you'll give me your favorite class. Number 14, se llama, and if it's a Mr., it's señor. If it's a Mrs., it's señora. And if it's a miss, it's señorita. And for 15, mis padres son, and you're going to have more than likely a masculine plural adjective to describe your parents and what they are like. Okay, woo! We got through it. This is Chapter 2. You have 2 more verbal tests after this. You've got your study guide, hopefully all good to go. And you're going to be reviewing tonight. Good luck. Buena suerte. Chao. Hasta luego. Nos vemos. Hasta pronto. Chao, chao, chao. Adios.